Hi, I'm Andrew Flushy, your Virginia Traffic and Misdemeanor Defense Attorney. There's a lot of confusion on the roadways about Virginia's move over or slow down law. So I want to take a minute to explain what you need to do regarding this law. Under 462-921.1, you need to slow down or move over when you're approaching a stationary vehicle with flashing lights. That's the basic rule to remember. If you see a vehicle with flashing lights on the roadway or on the shoulder, if possible and safe, you need to give one lane of berth. So you need to move over to provide an empty lane between you and that vehicle. If it's not safe to change lanes, if there's no room or you just can't do it in time, then you need to reduce your speed. And that doesn't mean just to reduce it to the speed limit. In my opinion, it needs to be reduced lower than the speed limit. And obviously be very careful and cautious as you pass a road worker or police officer, whoever's out, near the roadway. This law covers basically in pretty much every kind of flashing light vehicle you could imagine. Everything from obviously police officers, fire and rescue, tow truck drivers, highway maintenance personnel, VDOT, all sorts of vehicles are covered under this law. So the basic rule of thumb is if you see a vehicle with flashing lights, get out of the way, move over and give them a lane of berth if possible. And now that means on the interstate, if there's nobody next to you, you need to move over. However, if it's a road where there's no lane to move over, obviously you can't. Or if the lane to your left or right is completely blocked and there's no way you can move over, you need to slow down. And that's even if you're in the left lane of the interstate, in the fast lane, you still need to slow down and be sure you're very cautious, and you don't want to be the person who runs over a police officer. People who work on the side of the highway, no matter what their job is, it's a dangerous job and people get hurt and killed doing that kind of work, whether it's police or maintenance or whatever. And you don't want to be the person who is in that pickle and has that on their conscience. So be sure that you take heed. If you see flashing lights, you need to move over if possible, and if not, reduce your speed and be very careful as you pass them. Be safe out there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to ask a question, click above me. If you want to watch another video, click over here to my side. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click up here in the other corner. Have a great day.